Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to turn off the notifications quality filter on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your computer. If you've noticed that some notifications aren't showing up or updates from certain accounts seem to be missing, this filter might be the reason. Let's go through the simple steps to fix that. First, open your browser and head over to x.com, then log into your account. Once you're on your home page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Notifications. This will open your notifications timeline, where you can view all your mentions, likes, and other activity on your account. Next, on the notifications page, look for the small settings icon near the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your notification settings. From here, you'll see several options that help control how your notifications appear and what type of content you want to filter. Now, find and select filters from the list of settings. Inside this section, you'll see a setting called Quality Filter. The Quality Filter is designed to limit low-quality notifications like duplicate posts or automated activity to give you a cleaner notification feed. However, this sometimes hides real interactions from followers or accounts you actually care about. To make sure you see everything, simply toggle off the Quality Filter option. When the switch turns gray, the filter is disabled. That means all notifications, regardless of how X classifies them, will now appear in your feed. Once you've done that, your settings are automatically saved, no need to click anything else. You can now return to your main notifications timeline and start receiving all updates without restriction. That's all it takes to turn off the notifications quality filter on X using your PC. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in staying connected and ensuring you never miss a mention or important interaction again.